stream. But there you go. Good morning. Welcome to the stream again. We are live. It's Tuesday, the 20th of April. See what we can get finally out of the range. Let's invite everyone to the Zoom. We do have some news on GBP in about 20 minutes. So let's see what it does to the market. Doing that camera thing. Yeah. Cool. Nice, Nick Sheen. Yo, Ravik. Let's see. On the analysts for a second. Yeah, my first target's going to be 900. If we're going to buy above 500. The only thing that I don't like too much are these 4 hours, to be honest, though. But I think we can see further continuation up once we start closing above, continuing up to this level here. But there's some rejection candles here, so let's see how that goes.
Morning.
Good morning, Frank. How are you, man?
Good, and you?
Yeah, pretty good.
Actually, a bit how should I say that? Not pissed off, but like.
Frank is always pissed off. Why are you pissed off?
No, not pissed off, but like a bit like bitter. Just, I mean, I think it's a bit rude to like do what the guy did on the Slack.
Oh,
but
I don't know what happened. What happened?
I don't want to throw any shade to anybody, but it's like.
What happened?
You put the link, he puts his link. I mean, like, boy, please.
Oh, I don't mind. Let him do it.
Yeah, but I mean, it's just like, I don't know, just ways to do stuff in life, and
I don't mind. Let him do it.
Good morning, guys.
Yeah.
There's nothing to be mad about. If he wants to start something, let him start something.
No, but like, it should not be a competition or like.
Oh, it's not. It's definitely not a competition.
Yeah, for you, but for him, like the way, I don't know. Just it doesn't matter.
I don't mind. Let him do this thing.
No, for sure.
We're
100%.
flying with afterburners on, so we don't have any competition, man. Trust. Trust. Yeah, I think we're making beautiful higher highs and higher lows here, to be honest with you. The only thing is, I didn't really like the 4 hour, but based on candles closing above 500, I will get in if we have a nice nice wick and all that stuff. Yeah, but don't worry, Frank. Everything's
No,
gonna be
no,
okay.
it's I don't care. It's just for me, there's ways to do stuff in life, and it's just I don't. But hey, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Everything's gonna be alright.
No, it doesn't affect me at all. But it's just I don't know.
Yeah, we have no competition, trust.
No, 100%. But just like I said, I mean, it's just like for me, it's just like it's childish move.
Yeah, I understand. I understand. Like sending it at the same time, you mean?
Yeah, like I mean, it's like you put your link. I don't even want to talk about it.
Yeah. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let's stay positive here, man. Come on.
No, 100%. I mean, it worked out at the range. We can have some good buys. So yeah.
I'm so happy that it's out. That's the only thing I'm happy about right now.
Yeah, my rule about not trading if a candle doesn't close outside the range didn't last so long.
Wait, what do you do?
Well, yesterday I put in a rule. I'm not trading unless a 4-hour candle closes outside the range. So that didn't last long.
Well, I'm happy that it didn't last long because it's
Yeah.
taking a long time for a price to,
Yeah, but I mean, I journaled the thing, and it's like for me, it was still a good trade. It's just maybe not the highest probabilities of my setup, but I was still. I think I'd still take that trade again.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
The only thing, I journaled is my risk management could have been even like tighter. Like it could have lost even less. Because for me, I was like, once you go back on it, once the 15-minute made his bottom wick, then started to push, I should have just put stops at break even, and the finger would have, because after the second 15 minutes went up and after closed bearish again, and there should have been out. Because for me, that was like immediately a sign that it would not work.
Yeah, I'm happy that I didn't take anything yesterday. Just that range was just so ugly, to be honest. That there was no, it was not my thing.
The thing that made me confident about that trade is that the 4-hour close, like the body closed above the previous resistance.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. I think at the end of the day, the buys played out that Najim and all the other guys took.
But they were delayed. I mean,
what?
Exactly.
Yeah,
they were delayed deeper pullback.
Yeah.
Exactly.
About to take a look at this chart. Give me 1 second, guys. So. We need an extra X right here. Slash, I mean. There we go. Okay.
Master P. I didn't even see this not here.
How are you doing, Luke?
Yeah, pretty good, man. Pretty good. What about you?
Good.
Very, very nice. Yeah, looks pretty good, this chart. I want to see how those lower time frames look, but looks pretty good. You really took it at that bottom part. I don't know if I would personally take it, but looks pretty good, man. Federico, if you say that, send a chart. Oh, damn. Nice.
Yeah, you saw there's some news on the pound.
Yeah. Yeah, in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Nice shot. Good trade. 17 pips. Yeah. 15 pips close to break even. 15 pips close and break even activated. Okay, nice, nice.
That was a nice sell on gold. Little
Yeah.
risky, but nice.
Yeah, I just hope that today we can get those buys. Like, I hope it's not going to do the same as yesterday. Like, just like have a big bearish candle on this 4 hour and have to push up like massively in New York session.
Yeah, that could be a situation for this London session. It might pull
Yeah.
back and New York goes up, but we'll see.
Yeah.
If it breaks above 151,500, there's like 20 pips of clean traffic up to like 0.700. And I think ultimately, based off the daily, today we should hit 152.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
I was looking at 920 about, but I
Me
think
too.
it could easily go up even to 152.
Yeah, because my whole idea for this week is to retest like 153, because the weekly created a support, and now it's ranging, and in a range, price goes from support to resistance, and resistance is at like 153, 200.
Yeah. I feel like looking even like on bigger time frame, like how it's like it formed that support, it actually respected the monthly support. It can now go maybe tap that wick at like 153,850 on the monthly. But after on the other side, we're looking at like the 3 month charts, and that doesn't really make sense.
The monthly. Yeah, I didn't expect this pullback based off the monthly, to be honest, but it makes sense because then this monthly candle can close like weak bearish, and the next one breaks the high to continue bullish.
I'm looking, Bitchel, I'm looking for a close above here. Then continue up to 920, 930. Most are looking for a deeper pullback, but I'm still looking for some buys. Yes. This level right here, and based on the daily 4 hour and stuff.
Yeah,
It
looking
makes
at deep. Sorry.
it makes sense if you're gonna wait for a deeper pullback on the 4 hour, but I think because we just broke out, it makes sense for some continuation. So there's 2 possibilities right now. If we start closing above, we're rejecting this zone, you know. Gonna be either way. We could pull down maybe to another back to 151 flat, or even deeper to do a deeper retest. Let's see. If we close above here, it's definitely gonna be a buy for me. So yeah.
Yes, especially when you look like how the 1 hour just closed like doji.
Yeah.
Like if you get like a close of at least, like I would say even the 15 minutes, then it's already a good indication that it could go up like a close at 151, 510, 55.
Let me plug in this thing real quick.
Morning.
Morning, man.
Morning.
How are we doing, guys?
Yeah, pretty good.
Good. You?
Yeah, amazing, man. Thank you. Just be aware we got news in 2 minutes.
Yep. Man's gotta be careful.
Hey, chill, you know.
Yeah, man. I don't really mind about the news if we do close above, but I'll wait for a little bit of pullback at that moment if we do.
Yeah, they're
So it all
expecting
depends.
positive. Yeah, they're expecting positive news too. So if it comes back, if it comes out way less than expected, that's going to be really good for the currency, and it can skyrocket up to like 152.
Okay.
Could be.
Well, let's see. Previous was pretty high.
But then looking at the 4 hour, are we not too much extended on the 4
Yeah,
hour?
I was looking at that too. I just said that. I think based on a breakout, we're gonna continue a little bit higher, back to this level, this 4 hour level, and I think once we start tapping it, we're gonna see a deeper pullback for sells. I think, but that's you know.
We can see like even on what are you looking at? On a 1 hour, yeah, you can see the climb is like a little ladder steps up.
Yeah.
That's why I marked that out. And if we ever close above, just better time of going up. Let's see. What I did was I saw this candle forming, this one, before the stream, but I wished that it closed bearish. But
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, I was looking at that as well. I woke up at 6 and I was like, ooh, interesting.
yeah, if that closed bearish, it would have been a better situation.
To be honest, I would love to see some sort of a pullback on 4 hour, just a tiny one.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Like make one bearish candle and that's it.
But I think that still the possibility is still there, you know. Possibility to do that is still there. Buy stop at 350. Expecting price to start moving bullish. Daily made slower wick. Daily closed above rejection. TP hit. Okay. Pretty nice. I'm just questioning myself where your stop loss was. But looks pretty good.
Master, your wish came out.
Yeah.
I mean, I think that was everyone's, to be honest.
True. Yeah, that rule, no trading unless a 4 hour closes outside the range. It didn't last very long.
Augustus, you got some buys yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Nice. How many pips?
Grab 10.
Nice, nice.
Quick 10
It
thing,
was
you know.
a matter of minutes, to be honest.
Yeah?
It was in a matter of minutes. Like the candle closed, I got my entry at 600. I don't know, like 5 minutes, boom, 700. I'm done.
But that was the breakout, or?
Yeah, well, yeah, it closed above 600 resistance, and I was anticipating that because in the pre-New York sort of session, we touched that 600, and then we sort of rejected.
Yeah.
But then the same hourly candle closed above 600, and I was like, okay, I'm getting in.
Oh, so you didn't care about that 30-minute, just jumped in.
What do you mean about 30 minutes?
Just 30-minute candle.
Wait. Let me look at what you're looking at.
30-minute candles.
So this 30-minute candle was my
Entry candle, yeah.
Yeah. So my entry was at 600, and then he went straight away to 700.
Very nice.
And I was like, yeah, boy, let's do it.
Let's go. Yeah, this 15 also closed without a wick, and then this one made a small wick and then just started pushing up. You see this happen so many times.
It's breaking out.
Ooh. Thank you for calling that.
Yeah, the good thing now, so it's 1 hour close. So I would wait for like a wick
back.
down,
Yeah.
especially for with the news coming out, seeing what it does. And after once it breaks the wick, hopefully that it forms like the top wick, then you could probably take the buys.
And in such typical GJ fashion, this 1 hour spent
Gonna
like,
close
you know,
without a wick.
No. It spent
Oh.
like the 90% of its time in like in a little doji form below the
57
resistance.
minutes.
Yeah, 57 minutes as a doji, and then in the last 3 minutes, boom, you get a body.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's GG, man.
Yeah, it's GG right there.
Sums it up, man. Sums it up.
Yeah, let's see how the news comes out. If it's a positive, if it comes out as expected or like positive, then that might be a nice confluence to take buys.
Definitely.
But obviously, we'll have to take it impulsively because we need to see first how the news comes out. And
Yeah, but if it's already lower than previous, it's going to be already good news. So
yeah, indeed. But we might want to see a break of 0.575, which is
Oh
this
yeah,
4-hour high.
break it and make new highs.
I like this situation right now. But the only thing I don't like is that this one tapped it. But let's see. Gonna wait for that pullback. We're probably gonna get in around 480 on that level. 470. If we
It's a
close
little
above.
too much of a pullback over there.
Yeah. Ooh.
You did it again. You asked for a pullback too
Sorry,
early. Luke.
sorry, man.
Just kidding.
Now for me, there's no entry at the moment. If we start flipping bearish, maybe. No. Nasty right now.
Our spread was huge at one point as well, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it jumped to 2 pips or something.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, I'm gonna let the news to play out.
Yeah.
Let it absorb for 15 minutes, 30 minutes.
Yeah, this 1 hour has to start making a bottom wick as well. That last 5-second pullback. Damn. It was crazy. I don't know, Tom. I think first we need to see a wick to the bottom before I want to do anything like that. What about you, Tom? What are you looking for? Buy, sells.
Todd from Capital Hungry.
What?
No, never mind.
No, Tom.
I think Tom mentioned he was looking for a sell around of 600, which in this situation actually makes sense if this candle goes up there with no bottom wick.
Exactly.
Morning, guys.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, I'm waiting for a real deep pullback. What I trade on higher time frames, so yeah, I'm waiting for price to go down like 80 pips before I do anything. So
That's nice.
a long waiting game for me.
You don't get out of bed for anything less than 80 pips.
No, that's not true. But
just kidding.
But yeah, most of the time the stops are like 20 or 40 pips. So I need at least 20 to 40 pips.
So
for me, the range is too small right now.
You wouldn't take any sells down if you're looking for.
Yeah, I could, but I'd rather be on the buy side because GJ is bullish.
Yeah, makes sense.
So there's no guarantee that it will go down, but the chance is higher when it goes down. I will get a high probability buy.
Yeah, makes sense. Thank you for explaining, man.
Problem.
PJ buy is still looking good.
Yes.
Unless for our close below the 151 200, then we may see some sells.
I would want to see this candle pull back, close above, and then break the high, the previous, to continue moving further up. But I do want this candle wick to be broken at that moment. Only
It's that
1 pip difference anyway, so.
it's that situation where on the left you have clean traffic, strong uptrend, everything's perfect, but there's that one wick. There's that one wick which will catch you off guard.
Yeah. You know, at the end of the day, you want to be careful with if price doesn't have a bottom wick.
Yeah, but hopefully volume will push it through for you guys if you take the buy.
Sure.
Yep.
That candle is just the wick is just sitting there like this.
Let's see. Too many waiting games the past 2 weeks.
Oh, this is interesting. The numbers didn't come out.
Yeah, I saw it turn into tentative.
They're
So I was like, what?
kind of difficulties.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, that 1 hour just needs to go down. If this was the other way around, it would be pretty good. The candle making a lower wick first. But if the 1 hour would not make a wick and continue up, that means that there is no bearish momentum at that moment anymore, so I think that's pretty good.
I think this whole push came out yesterday when Pound mentioned that they're creating their own digital currency.
Okay then.
Sorry?
Okay then.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to see, man. Who are they backing up with?
Yeah.
Vaccines?
Probably.
What are you guys' opinion on a candle closing without a wick?
What?
What are your opinions about a candle when a candle closes without a wick?
Well,
what do you think it says?
I'd rather stay out.
Yeah. For me, the probability of price coming down to create a slower wick is just so high. At the candle open of the 1 hour, so gonna wait. Moves up like this, you see it's gonna make its wick right now. And the probability in the first 5, 10, 15 minutes, it's just not smart to take anything when it doesn't have a lower wick. Same as 4 hour candle, you're not gonna, you know, buy once the 4 hour candle doesn't have a lower wick yet. You're gonna wait for the lower wick to form first.
Yeah, I'm just waiting on that hourly to break. I'll take another buy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking because a few days ago or last week, I mean, I took a sell on a basis of a 4 hour, and I remember Najim saying it hasn't made a top wick yet, and it never did. Just that's why I'm asking what you guys think.
Yeah, that's
I was in that boat.
probabilities at the end of the day.
Yeah, I think so too.
So the probability is higher for price to start making its top wick, but Sometimes it doesn't, and then it means that there's just no range. You see in these 15 minutes candles, you see the same, but in a shorter time frame, some of them don't have wicks as well. But most of them, if you look at most of them, they all have wicks. Same as the higher time frame.
Yeah, true.
Ooh, look at that rejection.
Yeah, pull down. Real quick.
Some guys have buys from 560 for sure. It's a learning lesson for you guys.
That wouldn't be smart.
Learning lesson about no wicks and impulse entries with no wicks.
Yeah.
There was no impulse entry there though. Never even broke the.
Yeah, true.
The, high. I mean, somebody took it. That's pretty crazy, but I don't see an entry yet.
Mm-hmm.
You know what would be pretty good, to be honest with you? If this candle still closes bearish and the other one closes above. I would like that. That would be a good situation.
What did you say?
This 30-minute candle or 15 closes bearish. And then the next one closes above. Then you're moving up.
Oh yeah, that'd be pretty good.
Man, that safe moon is flying, bro. It's absolutely going off.
Sorry, I mean, I'm with Nick. If we break 570, we off.
Yeah, I was looking at that too. Makes sense. How would you manage risk at that moment?
We'll definitely stop 10 pips.
Yeah.
But one disclosure of 15, at least.
Yeah, bullish closure of 15 and then continue moving further up. Makes sense.
Because then we got clean range to 800, so should be good.
Yep. Yeah, if this 15 is going to close like this and then break the high, it's going to be pretty good. Going up.
This is a much better situation now than before.
Where would the stop loss be when breaking 570? I think you're just gonna put it inside the range right here. Just don't expect price to come back inside the range. Maybe below that 5-minute candle right here. This bullish 5-minute candle. When do we enter? There's no we, my friend. There's only you and me.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. There is no we, trust.
My runner is at 210 pips.
Savage. How much is the percentage of the runner?
Like what do you mean?
Like how much of the position you opened? How much percentage is it left?
Oh, I opened small, like was I think it was the first one I opened way down there was like maybe 20 cents, and then it opened more, as you see. So in the chat, I closed all those, and then I had only the first runner from the bottom is like 10 cents.
Oh damn, but that's still good.
Yeah, it's eating, so it's good.
I had to go to bed earlier yesterday night, man. I'm crashed. Let's take a good trade today. Finally.
Yeah, you've been waiting for a whole week.
I've been waiting longer than a whole week. To take
Good afternoon, everybody.
Hello, man.
How you all going?
Yeah, pretty good, man. Man like Andrew.
Yeah, had a few trades today, and actually put in place the system of losing minimum possible, and I got out with a couple of pips just above my entry. So
nice.
Yeah, I think I'm slowly learning.
Good job, man. Good job.
Now, if you muck up, you can turn it into something close to positive.
Well, it's all small steps, you know.
Yeah, that's it. And I think what I did learn today is I was going for targets, but I think I should go for smaller targets.
Okay, what was your target that you're aiming for today?
The first one was about 18 pips, and the second one was about probably 15.
Yeah, that's
maybe.
good.
And I was thinking maybe I should have just gone for 10 pips on each one, and I would have been in and out.
Yeah, but make sure the range is that range 18 pips, and if you just take your 10 pips and then you leave your runner run to 18, that's all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, secure some.
Yeah, that's okay. Well, we as we say, we live and learn, and learning heaps here, so I'm really happy about it. I've opened my Dominion account. I've ordered my magic key, so I'm all wired to go.
Nice.
Very, very nice. Man, this coin is flying. I didn't even know what happened. If I left my entire position running, this would be like a couple grand. It's pretty good actually, the way this 15 closed on my MetaTrader. MetaTrader closed a bit harder bearish than this time frame. So what I would want to see now is just a 30-minute candle close like around 5:30. 5:30, you see this candle just made a small it looks a lot different here. My MetaTrader looks pretty much like a break and retest because of the spread. So let's see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Trying to hit that 4,000 this week. Gonna be a lot of fun. And remember, guys, at 5,000, there's gonna be 2 Magic Keys giveaways. Hi, look, could you review my chart? Yes, Joseph, send it in. Aspen, yes you can, but you need a different program, I think. Like install another program for it to work.
Yeah, gold is looking interesting to go down over here. I thought it was gonna go up because the 4-hour created support to retest the high, but it looks like that support is more probably to break than to be respected.
Yeah, I was thinking about that too. Once I saw that 4-hour close bullish, I put my stop at B because you know, new 4-hour can easily push up again, but so far so good.
Yeah, I was looking for this 4-hour to kind of fill that 4-hour wick, which would have been like a 30 pip per range, but I guess it's gonna break lower and fill the liquidity wick instead.
It's still possible, like, I mean,
true.
It's still possible because 4-hour is still open.
Yeah, exactly. It still hasn't broken the low. It could go either way.
Yeah.
If support gonna be broken, it's buy. Well, if it breaks support, it's gonna go lower.
What? Hey, look, what will your entry be on point? Thinking about impulse because of wicks, not sure. Well, I would actually take an impulse if it goes to 580, 582 because then it fully breaks this level. You want those candles to just fully break. But I'd rather wait for this 30-minute candle to close now. Close bullish and then take an entry based on that. Yeah, climate count change. It came out, I think. What's saying it's good. Yeah. Actually, very, very good news. This candle at least has to close at like 5:30, 5:40.
Yeah, GG is having a hard time to keep going up.
Yep. It is what it is.
Because I don't know, man. 4 hours it's really extended.
Yeah, has no, not even a one candle red.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. And the same thing I got hit is on that Wednesday when I took a buy. 1 hour candle was like we had 6 1-hour candles, and then he shot up straight a bit, and then it pulled all the way back down with the new 4 hours. So I don't know. See how it goes.
Thank you, Peter. Yeah, the thing is about this 15-minute candle, if you're gonna start looking at the price, if it looks good if it's closing above, but if you look at 490, it's now at 410. It's only a 2-pip body. So I want it to have like at least a 530, 540, or at least like a 3, 4, 5 pip body.
And look at all the previous 30 minutes. Like you can see, there's not a lot of volume, and it looks like very indecisive.
You do see some rejection on both sides as well. So let's see.
Yeah, you would want like nice, strong close.
Yep. But if it closes high, I might just wait for one of these two levels to break, I think, or a good pullback retest of 520, because I don't want more than that to break on this candle. Yeah, it looks pretty good. 5 minutes about to close above resistance.
Oh, interesting. It's starting to break the high.
Yeah.
But
I'm gonna wait Only 5 minutes left. 6, no more. How many?
6 and 15.
6 and 15. I'm gonna wait. I mean, the move can happen in this couple of seconds, but I think based on the previous rejection we just saw right here, it's best to wait for the 30 to close outside, wait for that pullback to come, and then just take an entry based on that. We gotta. No, I'm not gonna say this question.
Oh no.
Close with no top wick. You mean what? Well, if I close without a top wick, I'm not getting in. That's right. But damn, no likes. Yeah, exactly. People need to press that button. Exactly, Paige.
Please lightly tap the like button, guys.
Just gently go smoothly on it. But
yeah, don't go too fast, otherwise YouTube is gonna, you know, slap us again and take them off.
Give 30-second gap.
Yeah, give it 30-second gap. Everyone after each other. How much of a pullback are you looking for at this point? Not too much, because the candle body is small. Or probability. This is why you wait for them candles to close. Price broke the high, but look what happened.
That would have been a nasty situation to be in.
Yeah, if we miss the move on GJ, there's still some things cooking up on gold, so it's gonna be all right.
I'll make a quick Instagram thingy, you know. We're back.
Dang it.
GJ.
Broke slow again.
I would want to take a paper trade to see if the sales could work. Close.
Yeah, at this point, I'm about to cut you off.
No, I'm finished. No problem.
Yeah, at this point, I'd need a candle to close above 570. That's about like 3 good rejections to that top part.
4 actually, if you look on the 15.
No, my 15 is completely
off,
invisible.
I see.
Because it opened and closed at the same spot.
Okay, yeah. But yeah, we rejected that 570 level once again, and I'm not feeling it.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for something to close above.
Yeah.
Man's not feeling it.
Yeah, but as I'm saying, 4 hour, man, is really extended.
Yeah. It's like the building story I used to tell.
Yeah, it needs to make a little drop, you know, to 151 at least.
Someone's asking, "Is this Uncle Ted?" Who do you mean? Who do you mean?
I think Nick, because Nick has
so, yeah.
similar voice to Ted's.
Yeah.
That,
really?
Yeah, mature boy.
Man, that's actually a compliment. I'll take it.
Yeah. Honestly, like when I first heard you, I was like, "Oh shit, man, is that Uncle Ted with us, man?"
Man, not even close, but one day.
It's coming, bro. It's coming. At least you got the voice, you know.
Yeah.
You got one of the characteristics.
I would want to see this actually 30-minute close bearish, to be honest with you. Because if we have another bullish close after that, it will be good. But just looking a bit ugly right now, to be honest. This candle only has a body that's 2 pips.
Yeah, it's nasty.
I think once it prolongs, like once it breaks the high of those wicks, then it should be nice.
Yes, I do official lineup, but when price is about to close and stuff, I'm waiting. But looking at you guys' charts. Next up, for the people that don't know how to send a chart yet, I'll show you in this 1 minute before this candle is going to close. Click the snapshot button and copy this link and send the last part of this link, otherwise I can't see it. I like this situation, to be honest. If it's gonna close like this, close like 470. Let's see, 18 seconds left for price to close.
The resistance is like picture perfect.
Yeah, it's double tap, so it's pretty strong as well. I think if we're gonna see structure break on these levels, there's a higher chance of the 4-hour coming down. But that's only when structure is gonna start breaking. Oh, this is some slow music. We gotta do that yesterday.
Oh, I thought the hourly was closing right now.
You guys don't hear the music? Oh, share sound. There you go. Share. Sorry, guys. There we go. You hear the music too now, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Ooh. So wake up. Look at the 15.
Yeah, if the 15-minute breaks the previous weeks, I don't know. I would want a better bottom wedge.
Yeah, me too.
I would probably take it.
But that bottom wick is not allowed to break the previous 15 low. But I don't know if I would take it, to be honest with you. Doesn't look that great.
I mean, the best would be at least a close like above that resistance of the 15 minutes.
Oh, man, took them buys. Very nice. Retest. This candle closed above it. Oh man, this is a good option. Good job. Good job, man, like Nick.
Wait, what did you say? What did you say?
No, not you.
Oh.
There's another guy. Got another chart coming in. Oh, look at that rejection though. Choo. Man, these charts from Tradingview. Yeah, makes sense.
Investing.com just put UK jobless rate unexpectedly falls again.
What?
UK jobless rate unexpectedly falls again. So basically, they're not even expecting a good numbers.
Yeah, pretty good setup if you're gonna close inside this zone, but we're in a bullish momentum right now, so I'm expecting levels to break. Watch the area to look, guys. Yes. Ram it. Can we buy Dodge now? Oh, be careful, man.
Looking good so far.
Yo, Nixon. I already checked out your chart, man. Just rewind the stream. Ooh, gold is pretty good.
Yeah, I guess some people want gold analysis. I think my whole analysis on gold is if we start closing below 1768, we're going to see some counter trend sells for the daily to kind of retest the range it broke out of.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, down to like 1755.
And then start looking for buys from there again.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I thought buys would start coming into play already since the previous 4 hour created support to retest the high in a bullish market at an important level, but it didn't. It barely even went bullish. Has no top wick.
Yeah. We're ready for anything.
Yes.
Can GG do something at least?
Please.
Like, please, man. Go down or go up. I don't care, man. Just do something.
Yeah, go somewhere at least.
Yeah. Man, just stuck in a 5 pip range.
Yeah, we got 30 minutes for open though.
What?
Sorry, Nick?
I see we got 30 minutes for open, London open.
Yeah. I would be happy if this 30-minute closes above, if it does.
Yeah, I just don't like how it's just like moving, and even if it closes, like just like you don't see any volume, you don't like it goes up, goes down, it's very indecisive.
So 10 pips, kind of close with no bottom wick. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense, man. I think next time you could leave like a 5% runner running. Continue down to your level. Looks pretty good, man. Very nice. Made the top wick and then breaks below. Nice. Very good chart.
Najim, for the gold sells. Oh, sorry, Luke, you're looking at a chart.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
For the gold sells, would you be comfortable taking the breakout? Because I see that 1 hour wick is a 15-minute support. So maybe I'm thinking we can wait for a retest rather than the breakout, because the breakout might reject like 1766.
Peter NP. Well, I'm gonna talk a little bit about them candles with you. So, let's say, how can I fill that in? Oh, I got no idea how to. Oh, this. Okay. Let's say this is a bearish candle, yeah? And this bearish candle does have a top wick, but it doesn't have a bottom wick. That means the probability for price for the next candle to go down is lower, because there is no range created by the previous candle to go down to. Now, what you see in all those situations where price closes without a wick, what you most of the time see, because if you have one right here, but this one is based on rejection of the resistance, so price is continuing moving down. But let's see, move this one real quick. What you see most of the times, if price closes without a bottom wick in like a trendy range or whatever, price is gonna make a small lower wick, and then it's going to continue moving back up, and most of the time engulf this candle. Now that's vice versa for bullish candles, because on bullish momentums, if price does have that bottom wick, like you're expecting it to have that bottom wick, and the next candle opens and the previous candle closed without a wick, then the probability of price making a small wick up and coming back down is very, very high. Sometimes it doesn't even make a wick up, but there's possibilities of price making a wick up, and everyone's gonna be like, oh, buy. No, there's not a buy yet. You gotta wait, and then price comes back down, and fully takes most of the buyers out. So you gotta be careful with those no wick candles. Price about to break up. Let's see what happens.
This is gonna go. Oof.
Probably, yeah. To be honest, I definitely just want to see 15 close above. Because all these rejection wicks, taking another impulse entry based on these rejection wicks is just not smart to do. Yeah, no problem, Peter.
Yeah, I agree with that 1,000%. Like that 570, I definitely see a close above there. And looking, hold on, let me get the date really quick.
Yes. By the way, I opened this chart before, but I got no idea what's going on right here. By Drew Trot. Got no idea.
I'm looking for it to break through that level. I didn't label it. It's kind of later, but okay. I was looking for it to break through 150.57, but also it's another level above that.
Okay.
At 150.676. I'm really looking for a clears above that before a confirmed buy, just for safety.
Yeah,
due to the
sense.
4-hour chart.
Yeah, also this level here to the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. But then people are...
I'm in, honestly.
Okay, yeah. Makes sense. Makes sense. I'm waiting for those last 5 minutes.
Nice.
Have this candle close. Maybe it's gonna push like a rocket. But let's see.
Because for me, my thinking was like 3 15-minute candles made the wick at the same previous area. So I was pretty patient. I didn't want to take exactly once it broke, but like for me, it's like once it pushed a bit higher, showing some volume. Like for me, it was a good sign that it would keep pushing up.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense.
But yeah, you could still probably get an entry at the 15-minute close.
Yeah, you expect that 15 also to make a pullback, so if it pulls back to this level where the rejection wicks are, you could definitely, take your entry.
Yeah, I guess I'm waiting more for gold. It's going to be my trade for the day.
Ooh, it's going pretty nice now. Yes, Danny, I will look at it soon. Just gonna wait for this 15.
Hey, Luke, can I ask, please? I'm just marking up my charts. Are you actually just waiting for the break above 151.580, say, on the 15-minute candle?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of making sense to me as well, yeah.
Yeah, you do want to be careful, though, because you see a lot of fake outs at this time.
Yeah, that's all those big wicks, isn't it?
Not really. Like, you see price close above here, and then the next candle just fakes out, breaks the lows, and continues moving further down. So you want to,
okay.
If you've seen that happen over and over before, you know what most times fake outs are going to happen.
Mm.
So you want to be careful with that. But I think if we have a good pullback, that I might get in. Yeah, 1 minute. 30 seconds left for this candle to close.
Let's go.
Pushing pretty hard. Ooh. There you go. Most people are in at 80. Should be at 10 pips now.
Secured some. Let's go.
Very nice.
Stops at break even.
Are we flying or?
It's off, yeah. It hit 10 pips
nice.
for most people already. So, for me, there wasn't a clear entry right now. Without higher risk probabilities.
Let's go.
Nick, did you get in?
Oh,
no, I didn't want to take an impulse on that one.
Same.
Yeah. I did not add any buys. Still a runner.
Let's fucking go, GG.
Man like Frank. Well, Frank called it out though. Man called it out.
Very nice.
GP2 is 750.
Very nice call, Frank. Nice call.
Come on.
Last 5 seconds for this 15 to close. Close it at a wick. Small wick.
I'm out. Secured more. Runner and
Bro.
Call it a day.
TzRzetHz. Am I allowed to put that one on the screen, or do you guys think it was a? I think it was a call out.
The Gulag take it. If some people.
Yeah, some people took it. Then for the day, Big Mac took it.
Oh, Big Mac. That's a name I recognize. Yeah, once I broke that 4-hour high.
I'm in a cell right now.
Yeah, I thought so.
That makes sense. Makes sense.
Okay, I secured everything. I just have a run.
Guys, don't just follow anyone saying anything. Just take it easy. If you don't understand what he's doing, don't do it. Yeah, there's a couple people that took the buys, so I'm gonna put that one on the screen. Okay, buys. How many pips did you take?
Entry 574, and I exited at 895.
695.
Six. Yeah. Sorry. No, wait. So that was that's where I secured, and I secured. At the end was 740. Don't know how you want to put it, but just put 695.
Yeah, I'll just put 10 pips.
Yeah.
Keep it simple.
10 pips, by Frank.
Yeah, 11 pips, but yeah.
Rain, if it ain't you or Master P, don't put it on the screen. These guys been there since the beginning, calling out trades, so don't tell them what to do. I don't mind if I didn't take it yes or no. It's being called out live on the stream. So same with Curran. If Curran calls out a buy trade on or sell trade on gold, it's the same situation. Even though Rakil doesn't take it sometimes. So take it easy.
Yeah. If you miss it, you miss it.
Yeah. There's people in the thing that took it anyways, so
I think it was a clear call. I think it was a clear call. You shouldn't worry about that. Put it on the screen and that's it.
yeah, exactly. Thank you, man. Ooh, the rejection on gold. Didn't make a top wicket, did it?
No, not under 30 million.
Rahul, if you listened, it got called out by Frank. Just reverse, rewind. You understand. Got called out pretty clear. So Aaron, do you stick with 2 trades a day? Yes. Most of the time 1 to 2 trades. Yes, I would have called it a trade as well, my friend. Costa Novus. He's been here since the beginning, so all these trades are put on the screen, my friend. Don't worry.
Yeah, I mean,
Luke, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, this is E. So I have a question now. So you know when you set your partial TV, right? Does your partial TV get like triggered by the spread?
I think it's more on the buy and sell price, and then depends on if you're selling or buying.
Yeah,
I think it's the lowest price.
Sometimes it gets triggered by the spread, and sometimes it just triggered by the pips.
Okay. Oh, I don't really use them too much. I have them always pointed out, but I don't take them. I don't, always wait for them to be hit.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Take care, man.
And somebody just said, like, if I had a loss, would you write it? And I mean, yesterday I did have a loss, and he wrote it, so...
Yeah, so, guys, stop being salty. You missed it. I missed it as well, but do I care? I don't give an actual fuck. To be honest.
Yeah, and it's something we've seen before once it breaks that 4-hour high over there, but we just weren't comfortable in this situation.
Yeah. Frank wasn't, so Frank called it out.
Yeah.
I called it too, but I wasn't on the Zoom. I got in at 57.
Nice.
58.6 actually, yeah. I'm just waiting to get my runner stopped out.
Just waiting for you ready to get stopped out. Okay.
Could push to the 90s here. We'll see.
Yeah, let's...
There's a weekly resistance to the left, so I will probably close my runner right there.
Yeah, I got a...
No, I mean GJ.
GJ, yeah. I got a take profit of 906.
906.
906.
Okay.
I'm up 6. Yeah, well, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I put my stops like at 650, so below that 15 minutes.
Yeah, I'm going to move mine up to there as well. Actually, just below the 15.
Yeah, exactly.
Pushing up pretty good.
Caroline.
Keep pushing.
Caroline.
Exactly the weekly now.
My gold trade didn't quite make 1800 last night.
Our setup has happened. What do you mean?
Close my runner right there. It's enough.
Check on this. Well, entry was pretty simple. If you were in before and you listened, people were looking for buys above 580. I was personally looking for them as well, but didn't take them because of the rejection wicks. Now Frank saw that as a possible probability and took it based on this candle breaking these wicks and breaking this wick, what all the previous candles couldn't do. So it's a very nice trade. And for the people that are butthurt, everything gets written on the screen. Yesterday, the loss of Frank got written on the screen as well. So if you listened, you could have taken the same thing.
Yeah, we're like a display of traders, and people in the gulag, they can choose their pick of who they like most and follow them.
Yep. Why didn't you take it? The reason why I didn't take it because I didn't like the way the candles were closing in this momentum. 4 hours still didn't really have a good pullback, even though I said the continuation might be there based on a breakout. but I just didn't like how the candles, the last lower time frame candles, 30 and 50 minutes closed, so that's why I didn't take it. It was a bit of a risky situation right there. Last 5 minutes as well on the 15-minute candle close, where I see a lot of fake outs happening as well. So that's the reason I didn't take it.
No, I was conscious about that because like the thing is it could have easily made a top wick even higher up and just rejected and just like started dumping.
Yeah, I've seen that happen before, and I don't want to get caught in the same situation. If you see those things happen over and over and over before, you understand that it could be pretty dangerous, but you know, Frank risked it for the biscuit and took a nice trade.
The thing that made me confident about it is the clear range and like August, like he was right, Augustus said the 4 hours very extended, and that's true, but because to the left it was like pretty clear on the 4 hour, for me it was still okay that the 4 hour can be that overextended, because to the left it was a bit the same situation.
Now we need a support in 4 hour to create, and price it could keep going.
I think
up.
What do you say?
I said now we can see a 4 hour support, pull back, and then price it can just keep going to the 153, 300.
Yeah. I mean, on the daily, there's a lot of potential, so yeah, it could keep going up.
Yeah, it's still in a bearish downtrend. It's respecting this level though, but I don't think you should. You already took the entire move, so I think you just. What?
Here we go. Here comes. I'm up 22 pips. Just waiting for another.
Rocket science.
Ooh, still going.
Rocket science.
Some rocket science. Straight up to 152. It's the target.
Yeah.
Could make it.
I don't. You already took the trade, so I don't. If you're in this downtrend, you got to see what levels are being respected in the higher time frames as well, and you know.
His upper trend line looks a bit weird. Like he could bring it a bit closer, I think.
Yeah, but he's
Because look, there's that free touch. Like if you could like bring it so it touches those free touches, I think it could be even more precise.
Yeah.
Calibrate the optical.
Come on, 90.
I'll be at a 910. That's my TP for this one.
Man, like Frank taking them fire trades.
I mean, yesterday it was not a fire trade, but hey, it's part of the game.
It's part of, you know, trading itself. Can't always win. Yeah, there was another guy with the same chart. He pretty much had the the same thing.
Here we go.
Oh damn!
Holy shit!
It's going up.
Come on.
Come on. So I guess there's also a lesson about GJ. When it goes, it just goes.
Yeah, but that's because the reason why it's going now. If you look at it on the
volume.
No, because we broke out.
Look at the 4 hour.
We broke out.
Yeah, exactly.
We broke out of the consolidation zone. Like a normal movement up, you can expect price to, you know, make higher highs and higher lows. It's making higher highs and higher lows, 100%. But based on the higher time frame right now, it's just flying because it broke out of this range. This consolidation area.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like daily should hit 152. So I guess that, and with volume, it's going up rather than retracing.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh,
good morning, man.
Voila.
Good morning.
Yeah, I was going to wait for it to break 62, but when it got to 60 and pulled back, I thought I'll get in here because it had broken those wicks.
Look how big that 30-minute candle is. Oh, damn.
There it goes.
Yeah.
Shit.
Damn.
Oh.
Who's in this long?
Frank. Ricardo.
Machine.
30 pips.
I closed my position run. It was 233 pips. So it's enough.
Damn.
Savage. Savage.
Beautiful. 30 pips. That'll do me. Yeah, my gold trade last night, it went to 1790 instead of 1800. As far as it went, and then turned around. I didn't get all that. I got stopped out. Yeah.
Yeah, gold is looking good.
Yeah.
It's not like
Ooh, that 30 close.
Yeah, I'm closing it. Whatever. I'm taking that money out.
Yeah,
I'm gonna look for price to create a support right here and retest this high.
It could.
Yeah. That's what I'm looking for right now.
Would you guys say that huge candle was due to news, or was it like already absorbed before?
It's a normal market move.
Yeah, I was expecting like a decent 15-minute close above those wicks, but I think just closed way too high for me.
Yeah.
That's a strong zone where it's DG right now, so.
Yeah, weekly, 4 hour.
Daily.
Yeah.
Yeah, my
there's
whole idea for the week is to go to 153. You wanted to say something, Luke?
There, a lot of people took it.
What people about to sell now? That's 6180 fib level on the sell side.
Where did you take your fib from? Like on the daily?
On the 4-hour high to low.
So you put it and you expect the pullback for after the continuation.
Yeah, if the trend wasn't bearish, I'd look. Sorry, if the trend wasn't bullish on the higher time frames, I look to sell around here. Yeah, but I'm totally bullish. Been bullish since last week. Even when it was going down, I was trying to buy. And now I missed it. Always me, man. Always me.
Whoa, Christopher took 49 pips. Damn. Look, that move. Yeah, I know, but I just didn't like the way the structure was on the 15 and 30 minute time frame. I mean, the entry was 100% there, but the probability was just low.
I see it tapping 152 and then just, pull them back. For sure.
Probably. So. Someone typing hard, man.
Oh, that's me. Sorry.
No problem, man. Are you on a laptop, Ricardo?
I'm on my Mac. I know.
Yeah.
Like there's 91. Yeah.
You out?
Yep.
Nice. Very, very nice. Oh yeah, I missed it. Sorry, I missed the trade. I didn't take it. But I didn't... Personally, if it's not your type of trade, you didn't miss it. So... you gotta look at it at different perspectives. Okay.
Ricardo Tossi. No, I don't use magic keys on Mac. I use it on a little laptop, Windows laptop, that I bought for $100. Magic keys doesn't work on Mac. You've got to set up parallels or virtual box, and it's just a waste of time. Windows machines are so cheap, you may as well just spend a little bit of money.
And looking back, I should have just taken the trade based on the hourly. Even though the lower time frame estimate like rejection wicks, the hourly just looks clean.
Yep. It is what it is. I don't mind that I didn't take it because this level, the 45 level on the previous hour, is such a hard rejection candle sometimes.
I was still sleeping there at the 1 hour retest.
It's all good now. We broke out again, waiting for a retest like this, and then continue moving back up.
Yeah, that was sort of impulse entry to take. But the thing is, once we broke 570, and I was expecting, sort of thinking of myself getting in, but then it didn't move that quickly.
Yeah.
As I was expecting, so I was like, okay.
It actually broke it, and it first went down again.
Yeah, yes. So, you know, I was a bit skeptical, so that's why I didn't take it. And obviously, 4 hour is just wow.
Yeah, 4 hour, crazy.
Yeah, like I got in, and like just after Luke and Nick were like, "Oh, this is risky. I would not get an impulse." I was like, "Oh shit!"
Man's taking on the fight.
And
at the end of the day, you gotta trade your plan, man. Like,
yep.
It's just I cut out like impulse entry like that out of my plan.
No, I did. It's just like like when you get in a trade, you just don't want to hear that. It's just like that. You always have a little like doubt. I think like you just don't want to lose. Like that's everybody. Once, you and Luke were just saying that, I was like, oh. But hey.
Yeah, actually, I read a post. I forgot who exactly posted, but they're basically saying like, you know, whenever I get into a trade, I never have faith in it working. So I always just manage my risk. So that's how I look at any trade. It might not work, but I just try to keep the loss small.
Yeah, exactly.
Look, get the air horns ready for 152. 152.
I don't think anyone is in anywhere.
Oh well, still need the air horns.
What day is it? It's Tuesday. Whoa. That was people are still butthurt about the fact that I didn't take it myself.
Damn.
If you're here just to copy trades, get the hell out of here. I'm telling you. Get that.
They're butthurt that they didn't take it with you.
Yeah, exactly. Because I didn't take it, they didn't take it. Fuck out of here, man. Get out of here. If you're only here for
Frank called it out.
Yeah, Frank called it out. People are butthurt. They're saying, "Oh, you didn't get in, you missed it." I don't give a fuck, man. I really don't give a fuck. You know my patient level. If you know my patient level, you understand.
Man, you have to have a plan. Like if you don't see your plan, don't take the trade.
Exactly. And if
That's
it's not in your
easy,
plan,
yeah?
you're not missing out on anything. People don't understand. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're in the top 1% of traders. You didn't lose any money today.
Exactly.
I was waiting for 4 hours to push down more, a little bit more to take buys, but it didn't. So I didn't take another buy there.
Same. That's what I said that day at the beginning of the stream. It's just mad.
Yeah.
The way that we pushed, I was like, wow, it's too much for me to get in now, because that's how I got fleeced on that Wednesday with that hourly extending, and I was like, okay, I'm not getting in here. If it moves, sweet.
Yeah.
There's a 4-hour wick at 152.061. See if it makes it.
All of you guys based in the UK? Everyone seems to have a British accent.
Sure, yeah.
Oh, I'm in Australia.
It's just me.
Okay.
Master P. Yeah.
I'm from the Netherlands. I'm in the
And
Netherlands with Luke.
Yeah, man.
And I'm French.
Merci beaucoup. Yo, Jessica. Najim. I've seen Jessica. Trust. I'm not saying anything. I just like the cake.
Who is Jessica? What?
No, do you remember when Najim
It's
logged in?
Luke's girlfriend.
No, he was not here.
No.
Oh, I must not have been.
Because you were not trading that day. It was the range day, and you were like, "Oh, I'm not even looking."
Oh, and I
at
called
this.
it an early day.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, well, Najim logged into the Zoom, and the name was Jessica.
Oh. Okay.
And last night he sent something in that group, and I was on my phone in the group, and I saw it, and he removed it like a second later.
Ooh.
And I saw that's Jessica.
I didn't see that.
But didn't you read the thing? It was love. It was funny as fuck. Why did you send that, Najim? Did you accidentally send it?
I can't hear you. I'll see you later.
He pitched it.
Man's trying to
play. Oh, sorry, bad connection.
Yeah, bad connection. I'm in a tunnel. Yeah, busted. Najim got busted, man.
Yeah, I was actually talking about 920, those levels up there. Now it's rejecting it.
Let's see, gold is breaking lower.
Yeah.
Here.
Come on, gold. Don't play with me now.
Rocket science.
Submarine science.
That's nice, actually.
Yes, Sonny.com. Look, let people talk. I wish I was as good as you. Keep up doing the good analysis. This is also for the rest of you guys. Thank you, man. Oh shit. Ooh. Sometimes I accidentally post Something on the private gram, and it's not for the private gram.
Oh.
You want me to put on your the good song yesterday? I mean, like
yeah, you can do yesterday.
Luke, are you from German heritage? No, I'm not. Just waiting for a price to start pulling back, create a support, retest this high.
I know there's a guy holding sells from 149, 550 or something.
I think it's
Tom on Slack.
I think it's Tom.
Slack.
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
No, it's not Thomas. Tom took them somewhere.
No. Well, you know the guy.
Oh no, I'm not holding from there, man.
Oh, okay.
No,
I'm not crazy.
Who is it?
Is the famous guy
Yeah.
now, chat.
Yeah, I know.
Oh no.
Luke, you know him.
Yeah, I know him. I know.
Yeah.
Is he selling again?
From 149, 500, man.
Yes.
For real.
Yeah, he doesn't use stop loss, I think. So yeah, it's pretty
My
rough.
God.
148.5. Oh god.
That's like the bottom of the bottom of before this whole bullish trend.
That's 200 pips. That's where Najib took his buys, man.
Yeah.
Where did he call it out?
Baytula also were staking buys over there.
I think it was in Slack.
I mean, it made sense because the 1 hour closed below, but he should have closed it when the next hourly closed back inside the range. Not all 250 pips drawdown. Goddamn.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Well, but you know, the banks need their money, guys.
Yeah, you have buyers and sellers, so.
Yeah, you need them to sell. Come on.
Just need it.
Mr. Dogecoin is back in the house. Dogecoin to $1 soon.
There was one guy who said, "Wait, what? No stop loss?" And then I think he replied, "You guys are cringe."
Oops.
Yeah, people listen to half words.
Yep. You listen to half of the story and then.
I know a guy who held 900 pips of drawdown.
Look at this.
GJ.
Look at this Save Moon chart. Look at this. This is where I was in, yeah. I was in right here. And it's all the way over here now. Man, it's the dumbest coin you can buy, so please don't buy it. It was just for fun.
Yeah, I sent to WhatsApp, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna look.
Oh, I saw that.
Oh shit.
Is what it
Damn.
is.
Look how many orders he has as well. He has buy limits as well. What? I don't understand.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense, does it?
He's
I mean, I guess maybe it works for him. I don't know.
Should be. I think it works for him because he says he doesn't work for anyone but for himself.
Yeah, but I understand. He has a one lot ready to open at 154.60, but he's already in sells from 149.540. What?
I mean, this. Sorry, but this looks like my first demo account. Just like. I mean, seriously, this is just like put trades like left and right. I mean, if it works for him, good. But I mean,
it's like these are the guys that say drawdown is part of the game.
200.
Nah, I mean, even Roger called them out.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Oh, that's not smart.
I mean,
you know,
it is what it is.
Yes. Some people say 10 pips is not that much, but at the same time, we've never had any big drawdown. Like, what's the worst case is 15 pip drawdown. But then we manage risk and it comes down to what, 10 pips, 9 pips.
Yep.
Oh well, GJ made a nice push before pre-London. Now London is gonna have no volume at all.
That's a complicated zone where DJ is at now.
4 hour resistance.
Weekly, 4 hour daily.
Gold is
everything,
well.
Man.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm expecting like at least 1 4 hour bearish candle, man.
I still didn't get in, Master.
On Ballard.
Yeah, I was looking at.
That's
one.
A pretty good entry. It's a 20.
I'm looking at this one, but this would be a savage entry. But this is gonna be a 10-year long trade.
Yeah, get in Ballard. It's a 20. You wanted to get it.
No, this one is better, man. Fuso is better. Yeah.
Diversify.
No, I'm not gonna get in Ballard. This one is better, but I don't know. I mean, look at the numbers where it's been before.
Yeah, true. It's at its low.
Yeah, it's a low. Like,
it's either gonna go to 0 or. Holy shit! Is that?
What?
Holy shit! This thing has been to the moon and back.
Yeah.
What? 7,800, and it's trading at $9. Goddamn.
Yeah.
That officially landed on the moon, circled around it, and came back to Earth.
Yeah, but it's gonna take a little bit of time for everything is gonna happen in that thing. I might take get like 30-40 shares.
Just get 1 share right now, and well, it's not gonna make that much. Or 10 shares. Get 10 shares.
Yeah, 10 shares. I'm gonna take 10 shares. I might just take out the safe moon and put everything of safe moon in there.
Every month, just buy 1 share for the next 10 years, and then if it reaches 7,000 again, oh boy.
Baba boy.
Baba boy. You know, sometimes looking at gold is like a little bit of a torture because you know there's a move coming, but then at this gold moves at in New York, so sometimes you just have to sit there patiently knowing that there's something coming and it's gonna come in New York. Because the other week I had 2 losses on gold and I looked at them and I realized like hey, these trades were based off like what New York. They were taken based off the things I saw in New York because those same confirmations, they worked in New York. I think that's because I traded the NY session and I got a little bit too used to the gold volume over there.
Hey, Mr. Luke, can you help me with my chart analysis? I'm starting to journal. I like your opinion. Yes, me too. I got a lot of stuff to do today.
Hospital?
Oh no, man, my father, he bought a new house. Gonna help him.
Ooh.
Yeah, man. Very nice. I'll send a picture.
Yeah, go on. Nice.
I don't live there, but here you go. It's pretty.
We sent it now?
Yeah, I sent it now.
Oh yeah, that one
Oh,
on the lake.
that's cool.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's really cool, actually.
It's very, very nice. Like on water, you can have a boat. You want a boat?
That's cool.
I really like the way you did this. Next time, put some extra supports on it as well. Just good for the and put some numbers on it. What you looked at first, what happened first. Very nice. Also, make sure to put a small little note on how you felt, and all that stuff, and then it's gonna be very nice. Mojo, mate, where do you trade SafeMoon on? Well, it's a very weird way to buy it. You pretty much have to go here, copy the, where is it? Here, you have to copy this link, and you gotta have Binance Smart Chain. You gotta have the Binance app, and then you download Trust Wallet or another app, and then you send Binance the BNB to Trust Wallet. You convert the BNB to Smart Chain, and then through PancakeSwap you buy SafeMoon, and you sell SafeMoon to it as well. But the spread is like 11%, so you need to take that in consideration. But don't buy it. It's way too high. It's trash.
You've been saying that, and you've been like buying and talking about it.
I didn't buy it. It's still my initial position from 3.5, and it's now at 72.
Nice.
So it shut up like a rocket. I was like,
it's way too high, but it's not even what 100th of a cent.
Yeah. The thing is that I was like, once it reached like 3.5, I was like, oh, this is pretty high already, and it hit like 10. It hit 14 cents. I'm just gonna call it cents. 14 cents, and I removed. I sold like how many coins? I don't even know anymore. Like hundreds of millions of coins I sold, and I left a couple million coins. And this is the runner, and it's going very well. I didn't even expect it to go up. If I left my initial position, that would have been thousands. Crazy.
Yeah, you don't want to mess up the wire transfer on that position.
Yeah, I did have a wrong wire transfer, lost like 80.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you don't want to do it on the big position.
But 250 SafeMoon, it's now 27,000. It's trash. Yep. But the thing is, the reason why I say it's trash is that there's nothing backing it up. So, no. It's just a hype coin. That's the thing. Where did you get in on this drop? What was your entry?
Wait, what?
Oh no, I said Rob.
Oh.
Oh damn. This man gone real low. He had a savage entry. But this price started. Okay then.
Well, this session I sat on my hands.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. You see, I can do it.
Gold is not doing anything good right now.
Yeah.
At this zone right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back for New York though, because I'm pretty sure gold is gonna do the move I'm envisioning in New York, 100%.
Yeah, yesterday you missed a move. It was actually a nice move I saw on gold.
Yes.
You were talking about you would think it would push up, I think, like in New York, and it pushed up at the end of London.
Yeah, that's true. I saw it broke above with like a 15-minute or something.
I mean, I don't trade those, so I can't tell you exactly. But I remember this guy came in and had a very nice trade on gold. And it was like, and you were calling it, but you left and you're like, oh, I think it's going to happen in New York, and like it happened at the end of London.
Yeah, that was me.
Yep.
Luke, I sent a chart for my entry.
Yes.
I removed my stuff, so yeah. I don't want the gulag laughing at me.
Okay. Look at the gym. No, but it's pretty nice. It makes a lot of sense if you look left.
Yeah, I want to buy again at 600, 150, 600. So,
guys.
No, I'm laughing when you said I don't want to go like to level.
Yeah, but also gulag, don't take it if you don't understand it. If you understand it,
yeah, don't trade it. No, don't take this trade, please.
If you understand it, you could. But if you don't, no.
It's too late already. Should have gotten in at the top.
You're probably already mostly break even, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just gonna close positions and then leave my stop where it is, so it's break even at the stop.
Yeah, nice. Very good trade. Alex, my entry was right here. I had 2 entries because I had one at 2.7, or I think, and one at 3.5. So between that, average I think was 3.2. Now like 70.
You know, I think a lot of people are just making a lot of money with this crypto stuff, because these coins, when they start off, they're so new, they start so low. It's like, where else could they go but up? You know, when you have a coin that's like 0.000001, it's like, where else could it go? You know, I guess that's why it's so easy. A lot of people are making good money in cryptos these days.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the thing in crypto, and I saw this guy was talking about it. Tori is his name. And I'm not big into crypto, but I think it's pretty true. Like everybody has a portfolio in crypto, but a lot of them, what they don't do is secure money and just like leave all their investment in it. So when it pushes up, they like always want more, but they never secure some. So I think it's like, if you have crypto, like once it goes up a bit, like take some out, and after you can reinvest that at better levels. And that's really the key with crypto. Then a lot of people like let's say just put $1,000 or euros into a crypto account, and I mean Bitcoin like doubles, triples, but they always want more. And at the end of the day, I mean, what is the limit? And if it dumps, then they'll lose all the money. And I mean, it makes no sense if you have a crypto and you're not secure, like a crypto account, and you're not securing money as you go up or down.
Yeah, exactly.
God. That was insane. Someone's ramming their computer because they missed the GJ buys.
Smashing their head.
How to attend to your Zoom meeting? Soon the community will open. Next month. Probably, if I have everything finished.
And yeah, I just saw a comment like crypto is all about buying. No, it isn't. Like, yes, but no. Like, I'm explaining that. Like, yes, crypto eventually, because of the price it's starting at, it will go up. But the thing is to be able to buy it, secure money, and once it goes down, use that money to buy even more. And that's how you get very rich with crypto and make a lot of money. Because if you have 1,000 if, I mean, you maybe double it, but to make like, let's say even 6 figures, I mean, that's huge percentages. Then if it goes up, retraces a bit, you maybe sell a bit, buy again, then you can have more money. So the percentage you have to make is less for less of a big of a move. So to respond to that comment is, yes, crypto is about buying, but you should be able to actually sell also sometimes, or at least to secure some and to buy at lower prices.
Are you looking for buys in the break of the 15-minute candle? No. I'm looking for a deep retrace to 550. Vision on gold for New York. Hopefully breakout. Not breaking out right now. Yo, Nick.
You just call me?
Yeah, man. How is you, bro?
I'm good. Over here relaxing.
How's it going with Lika?
Oh man. Still the dream.
Still a dream. Well, dreams gotta be dreams, right?
Hey, you know,
Man's
might happen one day.
It
I just gotta show the big bucks.
Yeah. My man. I think someone wanted to say something. No one? Okay. BMT.
Yeah, there's a question. How many pips does everyone try and get with gold?
Oh, I'm aiming, if I do anything with gold, I'm aiming at least 20, 30 pips.
Yeah, 20, 15, 20, 30.
Look at this.
But then at 10, you want to kind of put your stop loss at break even, maybe secure something.
Yeah, 10, 15 pips.
Depends on the situation.
Yep.
And so, I guess this 4 hours respecting Oh, sorry, you're looking at analysis.
Yeah,
you go first. Then.
Trading dollar, US dollar. It's crazy entry. Please review my analysis if I made any mistake. Well, I don't think you made a lot of mistakes right here because it's flying. So, go ahead.
Wow, yeah. So the whole idea on gold was if it respects 1768, it's bullish up to 1790 to retest that high. But if it breaks 1768, then we were looking for sells, and it never broke 1768, and now it's bullish. And I think a good entry I missed was once this 1 hour flipped bullish. It had no top wick. Wow, and it's just gonna shoot up, fill that 4 hour wick at this point. Unbelievable.
Sorry to interrupt, but do you know who's here? Man, like Marcos.
Oh, we got Marcos.
Marcos, how are you, man? Get on the mic.
Haven't heard him probably since February, man.
Yeah, since we started. Man made the 27% and dipped.
He's done for the year.
Yeah. Different levels. Nice, Tom. Go.
Damn, I really missed that confirmation of
gold. Damn.
Yeah. Just a 30 pip candle.
Yeah, it's still in that range though, so. Please kindly check my analysis. I don't see your analysis, bro. You gotta send it the right way. Don't send the entire link. Yeah, I'm looking for this to pull back, create a support, and continue moving back up. Good. Looking for a wick, going for yeah, but that already happened. I'm just looking for a support to form now on the 30-minute time frame. Look this candle to go to like 500, 550, close above there, create a bullish candle, continue moving back up. That's the plan. Not the entire link, Aiken. Just do this, and then copy the link, paste it, and only take... Oh wait, this is wrong. Just look here, go to the right side, and paste this part. Only this part, /x blah blah blah, /. Yes, guard. Bullish kind of formation. I would like this 30-minute to close even deeper. And then wait for that next 30-minute candle to form.
This song is also pretty nice. Almost like it more than yesterday.
Yeah, I got it. It's called the Truth. By Anno Domini Beats.
Damn, gold. Give us some sort of confirmation here.
Oh damn!
Yeah, man.
Out the window. It's a goner.
Should have been, yeah, should have been more sharp.
It is what it is. We hit 3,900 subscribers. 100 to go for the 4K.
Nice. Congratulations.
Yeah. Hopefully we can make it tomorrow. 4K. It would be awesome. Take the day to like 920 and blast those numbers tomorrow.
It would be nice to get like 5K before the end of the month.
And this month?
Yeah.
Okay. I was looking at 4,500. That's full TP. But maybe if the people want the magic keys badly.
Yep.
Oh well, let's see. Oh yeah, perfect man. Let's take a look at your chart. Why did they change that? Really annoying. Oh, wrong place. I nearly made a wrong chart myself. Please kindly check my analysis. See a couple of lines, but I don't see anywhere where you're gonna sell, where you're gonna buy, where you're gonna do this, or what you're expecting. There's not a lot of information on this chart, man. You gotta add some information on the chart. You know, because this doesn't make a lot of sense to most of us. Do we have any good chart that we can show as a?
Show one of your journals.
Yeah. On my screen. 1 second.
So for the people trading gold, if we can get a lower wick on this new 15-minute candle and then break the high, it's going to be a pretty good trade to fill like this 4-hour wick, which is still like a 15 pip range. And then at that point, you know, it should continue upwards as well.
Yeah.
And New York might retest 1790. I think that'll be pretty good.
Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Ooh, we got Sasha.
No, it's Michelle.
No. Yeah, it's Michelle.
Did you drink your coffee, Mr. B?
My coffee? No, I didn't drink any coffee yet.
Oh, what's going on?
I had a Red Bull. It's over there.
Something like this.
Okay, I jumped in this gold at the bottom. I kind of figured we were at resistance or no support, and I was going to get it and set a kind of a stop loss below that if we were to break down. Of course, it broke up. Here's my question, because I can see the order flows coming through. There is a ton of volume ringing in right now, and the price isn't moving at all. Does that make this an institutional level?
It makes it a level that, you know, so you have liquidity pockets, and, you know, when price ranging, it's gathering liquidity. So you usually see a lot of volume, but that's not like directional volume. That's just banks transferring their gathering positions, or, you know, accumulating or distributing positions. Those are the right words.
Got it. Because I'm watching orders just fly through and the price isn't changing at all.
Yeah, then at that point, it's just accumulation or distribution.
But it doesn't give you any kind of directional, it's going to go up or down.
Right. No, it's not directional. How it works is when you see big candles, those candles actually don't have many orders in them. The reason that you see big candles is because there's very little orders to stop those candles going in that direction. So as you can see, like if you look on gold, you can see that it kind of created a little mess around 1768, and then you get one big candle moving up because, you know, the previous candles, they were grabbing liquidity. They consolidated it a little bit so people can accumulate the orders, and then once those orders are accumulated, you get a clean move up, which was I guess confirmed by the 1 hour flipping bullish and creating its bullish body.
Okay. That helps, because I always watch these orders and I'm like, I don't know how to take this. And usually I panic and just get out because I expect it to maybe reverse on me. I'm trying to be like Kerwin and hold a little longer. He's very good at that, and I'm not so good at it. But and when I see that, it kind of makes me nervous.
I understand. Yeah, I think if you I can't see those orders, so I don't look at them, and I think if you don't understand them, you can better just not look at them, and they won't really confuse you, because the price action at the end of the day will tell you everything you need to know.
That makes perfect sense, because they give me anxiety, actually.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, when I traded at a prop firm, we would look at the level 2 and only at those numbers. Like we wouldn't even look at the charts, and when we would, it would be a 1 minute or a 5 minute charts in combination. But we only looked at those orders, and it was haptic.
Like following the big orders, or?
Yeah, we would see where people want to get in and where people were getting out, and then we'd try to like catch the move in between those liquidity pockets.
Was that hard?
It was different, I think. It was different. maybe for some people it's easier than Forex. For others, it's harder. I find Forex is a little bit more straightforward and easy.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. Good job. Put your stop loss at break even. You should be good.
Yeah, but if you think about it, support and resistance, they're also like liquidity pockets, because once price taps into a resistance or a support, it rejects, and that rejection means that it grabbed orders. So at the end of the day, every trader is doing the exact same thing. It's just your interpretation of that thing might be support resistance. For some people, it's supply and demand. For others, it's a Fibonacci or whatever. So, but at the end of the day, we're all doing the same.
Yeah, this is gonna make a bottom wick now. Continue down a little bit further. And looking for an buy is on a 30-minute time frame.
Yeah, that zone is very bad zone there.
Yeah.
That's why I got out because that's not good, man.
Yeah, but I'm still looking to retest the high. I mean, if we have a new 30-minute candle closing right here, I'm gonna take it.
Tap 151,980, 2 pips shy of 152.
Can you still even believe it that we about to hit 4K in 1.5 months?
Yeah, crazy.
Or 2 months now, I think. Yeah, 2 months. 2 months time. We were at the beginning. We were like, oh, we're gonna hopefully hit 1K by mid-year.
Yeah, we were looking at. I don't even know what our targets were.
I was like, if we hit 1,000 this year, I will be happy.
I remember we'd be happy like every 10 subs. Like the goal is like 10 subs per day. Like.
Remember when we had everybody in the Zoom? There was like maybe top 30 people coming in the Zoom, and we were like, guys, everybody go in the like the stream. Make sure you open it in a new tab.
Yeah. You guys, come on. We got 70 people in the Zoom. Yeah, but you know that small push made it. The levels, you know.
Yeah, it helped us.
Yeah, man. So guys, we got 40 people.
There's 40 people in the Zoom. Make sure
we got 240 likes. We're missing some likes. Yeah. It was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. You had a good question. I saw it. What you did?
Me?
Yeah, in the chat.
Oh,
what was the question that you deleted?
Oh, that one. Yeah.
Yeah. Looks pretty good, Chinky. Perfect. Oh man. Guy dropped the 10 lot on that buy. He slid in the DMs. And turns out he dropped the 10 lot right here.
Oh damn.
Good morning.
How are you, man?
Not too
Morning.
bad, not too bad.
Seems sleepy.
Yeah, probably am, to be honest. I've been on the stream for a while, just not been talking. But no, I think if a support's formed here now at this level, obviously if it doesn't break this bullish candle and it breaks the high of this candle, then it should go up because we're on a 4-hour level here. The reason I didn't take buys before was because of this level. I was scared it was just going to reject it.
Yeah, we're not inside it.
Not so. I've got it as my 4-hour level is 630. It's the bottom of the level that I've got.
What is it again?
So if you go on the 4-hour, if you just zoom out a little bit, yeah. So there, basically, yeah. So that's where I think it'll form a support to move back up.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
That's what I'm thinking anyway.
Have a candle that closes 10 pip candle right here. Around here. Close around here, that would be perfect. You have a good range going up. 20 pips.
I'm just not really sold on this 15-minute.
Yeah, me too. The thing I don't like is it's still the 30-minute is still bearish move happen, so I need a higher confirmation.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna trade New York over here because the confirmations I'm looking for just aren't happening in London. Last week, it was pretty comfortable trading New York when in trending days, because then it's rather easy. But trading New York when the bias is different, that's when it gets very difficult.
Well, JJ, gonna tell you this one. I had different colors, but everyone went to different colors. And then we came out on this color. So I can't really do anything about that. They were green, my bro. Green.
What colors are you talking
about? Oh
about?
no, this guy is talking about that even the colors are the same.
Oh. Those are just the default colors.
Yep.
The Tradingview. Master P will take the gold trade. I don't know. There's no gold trade for me right now. So I don't know what you're.
What would you do if you see a 5-minute candle trading a support above this daily level right now to retest this high?
I'd say it's tricky because it would be below a resistance.
Okay. Yeah.
So it might be retesting to go down. But ultimately, right now it's in a range, and the way this 4-hour is closing, it didn't quite fill the wick. So at this point, it's 100% ranging. You need a break above 1776 or below 1768 at this point.
Okay, that makes sense. The deeper this 30 closes, the happier I am.
True.
I mean, the idea I could maybe see if it plays out is like now this 30 minutes / 1 hour closing like this, the next 30 minutes to then create a support, and for the next 30 minutes, so the next 1 hour to then be bearish and to take the trade once it breaks the low of the 30-minute that made that support. And if it would happen now, it's still like a 15 pip range to the next level, like to 500. So that could maybe be a short, like that you could take. That I would maybe take, but it has to play out perfectly. Because like I was watching the stream yesterday, and he's really right about that. To take sales and an uptrend, you want a support to be made and then to be broken.
Yep, that's 100%. Break of structure.
Exactly. And the stronger the support, the better.
I think Biber actually overpartied yesterday, man. Didn't even probably turn up today in the morning.
Yeah,
I saw
this
that.
Man. Man's got them shades and that.
Yeah, man.
Dappy, looking dappy.
I'm trying to find some songs. We need some more songs, man. We only got four songs right now that we're over and over playing.
That's true.
Sunset Dream, what is this? Sick Made. This is good. I like this. Yeah, we're gonna have this one in. Perfect. Oh, I like this situation, man. I like this. Gonna tap this, go back up, create a support, and head up.
Yeah,
are you planning to buy GJ? Yes. Yeah, go ahead, Frank. Sorry, man.
No, I was saying that's another scenario. That could be very good.
Happen this.
That's why I love trading. I mean, in the beginning, you just look at charts and you're like, it goes up, it goes down, yeah, cool. But like the better and the more advanced into the journey you get, like the more you can see all kinds of scenarios, and after you can just like imagine all kinds of stuff, and it's like always, like it's almost like, yeah, you visualizing everything, and you're like thinking what is probable, what's the best setup, and that's just how trading becomes fun. At least for me.
Yeah, this is looking good. Maybe I'll get my first position in on this 15, but I don't know yet. 1 hour close bearish without a wick. I'm liking this situation right here, man. To be honest with you, I am liking it. The only thing that has to happen is candle close in our direction, and I am in with wicks to the top. No wicks to the top means I'm not gonna get in. Why do you not answer in chat? I know. You can talk. Do we close the buy or keep holding the buy? Well, there's no we. DJ, thank you. Well, touch buy, I want to see at least something close bullish with me, because the last 1 hour candle was bearish, but the good thing was that it closed with a small wick, so I see this wick forming, and then 15 close, get my first entry in, and then once the 30 closed, get my second entry in, and then continue moving further up. Looking for that to happen. So let's see. We could also reject at this point, but we just made a high, so it makes sense for price to come down, create a support, and continue to retest this high. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Depends on how strong this candle closes, and then good. Yeah, it could do, Henry. It could do, but I'm looking at this higher high and higher low structure right now, and should tap this area, create a support, and continue moving further up. Luke, do you stream every day? And what hour does the stream begin? Yes, I do stream every day. And I start 6:30 GMT time every single day, Monday to Friday. Ronald, thank you for tuning in. Let's see what this 15 does. This 15 doesn't close bullish, gonna wait for the 30 to close. And if that doesn't happen, then it is what it is. Oh damn, gold retraced hard.
It doesn't know what it wants to do.
Yeah, gold for me to buy. I want to see a 4-hour close above daily resistance.
Above daily resistance. Oh right, yeah.
Yeah, if for now just still 4 like sells for me.
Oh, so your default is sells, okay. Yeah. My default was buys. Unless it broke below 1768, then we'll see sells.
Yeah. Waiting for this 4 hours, see how it closes.
Yeah, the New York is gonna have to move here on gold for sure.
Well, that's what you said yesterday as well. And then it moved hard.
It moved hard, but to the downside.
Yeah, well, we had to move up in London, and they had to move down.
Yeah, I really thought it was going to hit the 1800 if it broke above that level.
Yeah, lots of people were thinking that.
Look, are you gonna go through like the New York volume if this candle doesn't close bullish?
Do you mean that I'm gonna stay on the chart?
Yeah, are you gonna stay on the chat to wait for this candle to close bullish, or you?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna wait 23 minutes or 7 minutes if this 15 closes strong enough. 8 minutes.
We should leave the Zoom open for
the
Raja streams.
Yeah, we'll do for you guys. We'll do. Looking for this candle to close at least above this 15-minute level. 640, 670. Let's see. Based on the 5-minute, we tapped that level. I think once we start closing above 660, we broke the bearish structure, and then continue moving further up. The high probability.
Yeah, it'd be really nice if this 15-minute closes above like around 0.700 or 680. That's going to be pretty strong.
Yeah.
And gold is back down at that support at 1768. What's it going to do?
Yeah, we're gonna hit that 4K tomorrow. Rust.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah, we had 3,926 now. It's gonna be crazy. Man, like, look, you were Raja, yes.
I don't remember. The first YouTube plate is what, 100K?
Yeah, man. 100K, then a million, and then 10 million. Then 50 million, or 25, or whatever. 25 or 50.
50, I think.
And then 100 mil.
Oh, yeah, okay. And there's nothing at 10K?
No.
No. You get a little round of applause.
Free magic keys.
Yeah, that, yeah.
Yeah, see you, Miguel. Thank you for tuning in. Gonna be waiting for the 30-minute candle, I think. That's okay. That's okay. You see the candles creating smaller bodies, and hopefully this candle closes like 600 and above. And then that candle was just weak. Bearish momentum is dying down. Retest happened. And buys up to the moon. Right, Najim?
Yeah. I'm not taking any buys in GG.
Yeah, makes sense.
It's
too high. Yeah.
I would wait for like support to form.
Makes sense.
Maybe at 115, 900. If it came down.
Yeah, I mean, that's good you have your bias. But yeah, personally, for a short term now, I would still be looking for sales more than buys.
I'm personally more looking into them buys. We have a 30-minute candle close bullish. We're going to retest that high. So.
For me, it's like the 30-minute is bullish, good. So I would want then the break the low for it to then close bearish again.
Yeah, that would be a good situation for ourselves. But because we just made a new higher high and creating a higher low now, I'm expecting the higher high to be retested. Maybe create a double top at that level before continuing moving down.
Yeah, the thing, but I understand what you mean. The thing is, me looking at the 4 hour.
Yeah, that's true.
I think like the bearish candle could come into play now.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense what you just said. It depends. If we start closing above like 680 again with that 30-minute candle, 700, I mean, then I'm definitely gonna take it, to be honest. It all depends on how it closes. Damn, United Wealth, holy. That's true, that's insane.
Yeah, when I see clean traffic, I'm like, perfect.
Let's go.
I need to catch that clean traffic.
Would you take a sell if 30-minute close below 1768.33? Yo, Master.
Huh? What?
Would you take a sell? Yeah. Once it closes below 168.
Yeah, it depends how strong it closes below there. Because you see those wicks, there's that one particular wick which wicks lower than every other one. That's a 15-minute fake out, where like on the 15-minute, that's a support.
Oh, yeah.
And we're approaching a low volume time. Like London Open is over, and now we're at the 10 o'clock, which is like the spillover volume of London Open. But then after 10 o'clock, you have to wait for New York. But I would, at this point, I'd rather want to see a resistance form below that point or take the breakout at London, New York session.
Makes sense.
Yeah. You gonna tune in on Raja's stream as well? Let's go chill with him.
I could do,
Oh, no.
but
Oh,
I'm
yeah, you
busy, man. Busy
Oh, yeah,
today.
you're busy.
Probably Wednesday we could.
But I'm busy Wednesday. Thursday I'm not busy.
Friday?
Yeah, Friday I'm also not busy. Oh, well,
Friday we could look into it.
Oh yeah, no,
It's
Friday.
Friday then.
It's Saturday, it's Sunday, what? Let's see. Come on, real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the other 15. 15 just closed. It closed pretty good, 600 exactly. Now I want this candle to close like above 650, 660, 670. Oh, you want yesterday? Okay, we'll do that. Mr. Dominic. Yep, 4-hour close in around 45 minutes. I'm on 30-minute close, at least here. Created the bottom wick, break the high, and then choo, rocket science. Peter, do you also trade New York session? No, I don't. Okay, 15 is going up. No, not yet. I'm waiting for 30 to close, man. Take it easy.
Yeah, because we're rejecting a 4-hour zone as well, so... So we might see a support form to then break that support, but we are still in an uptrend, so ultimately this level should break. And yeah, we might see it'll give us 10 pips before it does anything.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, I have a question if somebody could answer it. So I'm looking, I don't use magic keys, but I'm looking to buy one. The thing is I'm on Mac and I was looking a bit into it. If somebody is like already has that set up on a Mac, like if you could explain it to me, it would be really nice.
I think you just need to install like VirtualBox.
Yeah, I saw that, but it says it's free, but like, I don't know.
I think it is free. I remember I used to do programming and I had a Mac,
Okay.
which wasn't the best thing ever. So I used to use VirtualBox a lot to access Windows.
Okay.
So I think, yeah, if you YouTube how to set up VirtualBox and then install like Windows on your MacBook, it's going to pretty much, and then you can just install Magic Keys like you by following the normal instructions.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
But yeah, it says like 64-bit PC and Mac. But that I think like I saw like after 2006, like your Mac has 64-bit.
Yeah, yours probably has 64.
Yeah.
Alternatively, what you can do is sell your MacBook and buy 2 Windows computers.
Yeah, no, but honestly, I do like Mac for the rest.
It's like ergonomic, but it's not maybe practical.
It depends for what, honestly. I mean, for now, like TradingView, MetaTrader runs perfectly on Mac, but I do see some stuff like it's sometimes like not the best.
Yeah, they're really good Facebook machines to go through Facebook and things like that. We got a guy spamming in the comments. Are you looking for GJ Bice to retest the high? Yeah, man.
Man, I said this before so many times. Please just
put him on a timeout or something.
Just delete the comment. Oh, you can put timeouts.
Yeah, I could put
timeout. You got a timeout now. Yeah, I want this 30-minute to close a little stronger than this. I want it to close like right here. Oh, timeout 300 seconds. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
What you get?
Guys, he says, Master P or you could buy a Azure VM or Amazon VM. Oh, like virtual machine. Azure VM. What's that? Oh, yeah.
No, it was Frank speaking. Frank.
Yeah.
Download parallel things.
Yeah, I'm looking at that.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll probably do. I think in the future I will buy like a Microsoft laptop or something like that. Just to have both.
Makes sense. I'm gonna buy a laptop soon as well. Good laptop, fast laptop.
Yeah, I think I'll keep the Mac like as a laptop, and after I'll just buy like, I don't know how you call it, like desktop, like PC.
We've got Mitch in the house. Is it the same Mitch from the New York streams? That Mitch was nice.
Yeah, it was cool.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hey, guys.
It's good, it's good.
You ready up? Up for the New York stream?
Yeah, doing my coffee and shit in the morning.
Nice.
Nice.
It's 4:22 in the morning there, so.
Ooh, that's early.
Man's an early bird, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, Augustus, man, it's your birthday, isn't it? Or Christmas, should I say? 420.
No, mine was 11th of March. No.
420, my man.
Oh. Oh, I didn't hear 420.
Oh shit, look at the date today.
Yeah.
Today is a national day for certain people.
Augustus.
Yes. Today's holiday for Augustus.
Yeah, that's why I didn't take a trade. Yeah.
I didn't even notice that.
Nah, neither did I, man. Neither did I.
Let's see how this 30 minutes gonna close.
So we can all celebrate it?
Yeah.
Hi, look. I see Markets has 2 options, the worldwide version and the European version. I live in London. Do you think the Europe version would be best? I have a global one. That's a worldwide
European
one.
has a low leverage though.
Yeah, you need to get the worldwide one. You need to get that leverage thing up.
What happens so if you? I didn't think about it. If you have like the European one, the global one, and you go to like a country where it's not allowed, like can you still trade with it?
I think you just need an offshore broker. There's a guy in Slack as well. He lives in India, I think, and you're not allowed to trade that, right?
No.
Okay.
And he just uses trader's domain.
Okay.
Illegal. Trading is illegal.
What do you do when you have to withdraw the money? I mean,
yeah.
The offshore bank account.
Yeah, but if you're gonna, crypto.
Yeah, true. You could do it like that.
I don't know if crypto is allowed, but yeah, Bitcoin.
But the fines, I mean, with that, or like I saw in France, like even if you don't declare your trading account and everything, you get like a 10,000 euro fine. I mean,
yeah, here's 300% the fine of what money is in the account. So let's say 100,000 is going to be a lot of money.
Is pound yen gonna give us some form of confirmation?
Yeah. Stop loss.
Continue up.
This is good enough for the push. Can you just go back down a little bit and close at 680-ish?
Create
a wick. You know.
Yeah, I think he's gone, me. I think by the end of the 30-minute candle, it's done. I think he's going to be at the top by the end. I think maybe the buy break at 15.
It's going to close at your take profit.
Yeah, 100%.
Probably.
It's gone.
Yeah, it depends.
Man, GJ, why are you pushing now?
Yeah, we're waiting.
GJ's such a heartbreaker.
Yep. Bitch.
That's okay. They're still from, the range, 12 pips now.
Gonna be 50-50.
Yeah.
So 1-to-1. I'm gonna lower my risk right here.
I wanted to pull back more now.
Yeah, me too. I'm waiting for a better pullback.
Yeah, you kind of want to see how the next candle forms, because this could be a support that's going to be broken because the resistance is up. But I don't want to give any conflicting.
What I want to see now is just a pullback. Pullback, and then entry.
I mean, taking it for the break and retest, you still have like a 22 pips to fill the previous wick on the 1 hour.
This candle does have to close with a wick though. I mean, what's this range? That's 14. Yeah, it's good enough for me. But I do want it. No, go down. Yeah, Jesus making beautiful moves, but none of structured bases. Yeah, just close that right here, and then I'm fine. I'm all good, all Gucci. Oh, days off.
Ooh, gold is also breaking below. So now I gotta choose what to execute on. Pound yen buys, gold sells. I think GJ already kind of moved, so I'm probably gonna look at my gold sells over here.
I was really tempted to take buys when it touched this level, not gonna lie.
Yeah,
I wanted to take an entry.
Yeah, once it broke the high, the little bear shift. Wow, gold, don't do this to me, man.
Right, suddenly, at the end of the session, price starts moving. Like, what? I'm aiming for that wick. It's gonna be, I need to see a pullback to like 720. Please. Oh my God, GJ. Nah. Nah.
Character building.
Yeah. Good confirmation on 5-minute. Yeah. But the only thing is, it closed without a wick, and this one didn't make a lower wick, so.
Yeah, we wouldn't have taken
it. This is GJ in a nutshell. Yeah, I wanted to actually take this when it tapped. Didn't take it. What actually could have been one of the best entries is what Masterpiece at the break of the 15-minute high. Very, very good entry.
Yeah, because you had that bullish pressure from the uptrend, and the bearish candles were getting smaller and smaller. So I guess that made sense.
Let's see if it's going to pull back in any sort of way the last 22 seconds. I don't think it is. I wouldn't even be surprised if it closed like this. That's how strong it is. Close without a wick. I don't call that a wick.
Yeah. Close that resistance on the 30.
Damn. Push last second. It is what it is. Missed it.
Not getting in once it flips bullish again?
Maybe. If it does a deep pullback. What are you looking for, Augustus?
He's looking to fly. Man's flying.
Where?
No, he's looking to fly today for 20.
Yo, Augustus.
Yeah.
What are you looking for right now?
See how the 5-minute reacts.
Yeah. You know what? Oh, that's a deep. Go all the way over here.
So I am in some gold cells over here once this candle flipped bearish.
Nice.
What's your entry?
Exact entry, 66.50.
Good luck, man.
Thank you. Should fill this wick, and then I'm gonna put stops at break even.
I'm gonna go look at goal so I can cheerlead. It has a clear range. Pretty good.
Ooh, GJ pulling.
Yeah, 4-hour also broke the low, so at this point it makes sense. It's the last 30 minutes of the 4-hour though. That's kind of the only issue.
What happened to gold?
Came down.
Looks good, man. For sales next 4-hour.
Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna come in next 4-hour. Closed full position here. Then move fast enough.
Oh, you were in sales or buys?
Sells.
Very nice. Next 4-hour it should push up to make a week. And
So you got out at break even pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much a couple pips. 5 pips, 7 pips.
I think it's still valid, honestly. It means like the 4-hour would close under the range, like it would break support. And after you could easily maybe expect the next 4-hour to come down for at least to make its bottom wick. And get those 10, 20 pips. I don't know. I mean, I don't trade gold, so. Yeah, looking on GJ, how this 15-minute is making a bottom break could maybe be good.
Yeah, looking at it too. See. See a okay structure on lower time frames, so let's see what happens. Where did the music stop? I just got in.
All right.
On a position on GJ buys. My entry isn't the best though. It's a pretty dangerous trade, so I'm not taking it on full risk as well.
That's smart.
Yeah.
Your entry is what, 700?
717 where we at right now.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see. The only thing is I don't like this 5 minute. It's probably gonna make a wick down. Thank you, Betula. Yeah, let's see. It's a pretty risky trade, so don't take it if you don't understand it. Target is right here.
Look, you took a buy?
Yeah.
In the 30 minutes?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Only small positions, so low risk. If I take some profit, I take some profit. If I lose, I lose. It is what it is. Small positions, so don't worry. The reason why I did that is because it went down without a top wick. Even though this doesn't have the biggest top wick, it went down without one. And 15 structure looks okay. Looking for 5 minutes to create a support above this level of 670, and continue moving further up. Also breaking its own high again, and that would be already 9 pips from entry. So that's what I'm looking for. Could go down like this, but let's see. The only thing is I don't like that it broke half of this candle. Let's see. It's a pretty risky trade, guys. Don't take this trade. It's impulsive. Because it's not pretty much fully structured anymore. Because of the candle close without a good top wick. So what I'm looking for now is a 5 minute to close bullish. Start creating higher highs and higher lows. That's what I'm looking for. Right now.
Gold might be hitting a new low in a second.
Yeah, I'm looking for some second chance.
What happened to your position?
I closed that pretty soon because it wasn't moving.
What's the loss?
6 pips. What was it? It was
sales negative 6 pips.
Yeah, I mean, after it's you trading, but I wouldn't. I think it was still valid. It was just, I think you, like you said, there was not a lot of volume, so you started to have a bit of fear.
Yeah, because it should have moved fast. So now this 5-minute closed bearish, engulfing the previous one. So that indicates good volume. It closed below the, not below the wicks. But if it breaks the low, this current candle breaks the low, then what Michelle said, it's going to create a new lower low at around probably 1762. I'm looking at.
Yeah, I mean, you can easily give it a second chance and after even get more, like cover your loss and get some more.
Yeah, but the 4 hour is closing in 19
that's
minutes. This, yeah.
Yeah, it's not a force trade. I've seen this happen before. And then structure is going to form on a 5-minute, retest a high. That's currently going to be my 717 10 pip profit level because my entry is 717, 817 is the previous high of the previous candle. So I think I've created enough range for me to play in right now. So let's see.
Gold 4 hours is about to close.
Yeah, don't touch it until then.
Are you going to close 50%? Close when the 50-minute close bearish? Yes, I will be closing 50% when it closes bearish because that means that we don't have any bullish momentum anymore. So I would want to see this candle flip in between these minutes. Otherwise, it's going to be a small loss anyways. The only thing is that I accidentally opened a very big position, so I had to close off and pay some commission. But now it's just a half position. That all got closed off at break even straight away. It is what it is. I had to pay some commission of it. Yeah, ace, exactly. And soon when I start getting into profit, I'm gonna trail my stop loss to 660. Or if we break that, close 50%. Because still, even though you're using a smaller lot, risk management is still something you gotta do. I want to see this 5-minute close like above 717 now. For it to create some structure. But probably will be closing 50% if this kind of closes not in our direction.
Yeah, you were lucky you closed early, Master P, because that thing just retraced right back in.
Ooh, yeah. Damn.
I only gave it one shot.
Yeah, I mean, you can still give it another shot afterwards. So.
Yeah, I'll probably see how New York. I'll see towards New York open because this 4 hours is going to close, and I know it's going to do the move in New York. Either going to hit. Now, if it closes bearish, then it can come down to 1755. Is a conservative target.
Yeah, you would just want to close under like the support.
I think I'm gonna close 50% off of my trade once this 15 starts closing bearish.
You got the 5-minute closing bullish. Maybe it's the bullish 5-minute breaks it slow.
It's too weak right now. If it closed at my entry, yeah, then it made sense. I closed off 50% at 1 pip.
Good.
I just don't want that. The bearish candle with that without a wick is a little bit concerning for me. But I only have a small position left running now. If we go up, we go up. If we go down, we go down.
30-minute is still open, and so that top wick is more of a confluence at this point.
Yeah. But I don't. This is my plan. So if the 15 closes against me with candle that, you know, this doesn't have a top wick, yeah, for me it's an closing time. Gotta follow the plan to manage that risk. If I lose so little.
And if it starts to break lows, you can probably manage risk a little bit further.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, if this candle starts closing bullish soon, I might be leaving this position in and base it all off over the 1 hour time frame. So let's see.
This looks good now. I'm not in it, but it looks good to reach the high.
Yep. Even if it touches its own high right here, it's going to be 10 pips for me, so. You will win, I hope, man. I think I could have left the other 50% in, but all good. All good.
It broke that low.
Got everything set up. Yeah, once like 30 starts flipping, we're gonna be racing. But that has to happen. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. If it happens, it happens, you know. So. Yep, new 4 hour incoming. Let's see what that does. Maybe fill the 4 hour wick. Hopefully it's gonna respect this 1 hour low. But let's see. All based on probabilities. If I lose now, I probably only lose through 2-3 pips. Because I'm now in this trade for a pretty long time already. Opened it at 32, so I'm in it for a couple of minutes already. You know, the bumming thing was I opened it and it shut down a little bit further when I opened it. Well, just after I opened it, like 2 pips lower. With this 15 also closes bullish. I'm fine with that. Yeah, risk it for the biscuit. You win, you win. If you lose, you lose, and you lose. And once you lose, you're just gonna look on how you could have done better, what you could have looked out for. But one thing I already know is right now that if I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna lose so little. But that's good. So doing it, you know, start moving a little bit now. To the upside, not to the downside. Yeah.
What's the longest time you've ever been in a trade?
Me?
Yeah, you know, to get like 10 pips, not for a run.
Oh, 10 pips? Probably
Yeah.
1.5 hours.
Yeah, I think mine's about the same.
But never deep drawdown.
Yeah, no, same. Mine just took. I think I took my trade probably about this time.
Yeah.
And it just took like an hour and a half just to reach 10 pips. It was crazy.
Never moving my stop loss or anything.
There was a trade I took on GU once based on an hourly confirmation. It took 45. I spent 45 minutes in drawdown. And I'm like, okay, fuck it. This thing is not going to move. Closed it. And the hourly moved in the last 10 minutes. I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah, that's like GJ. Moves in the last 2 minutes. All right.
How far did we actually go up? Like 3 pips, right? Yeah, 2.8, 2.5. Thank you, Rafik.
Nice back.
Yeah, man, Rafik is... Huh?
No, sorry.
Oh, go ahead.
Did he get his like, because he lost the subscribers, but for me I'm still subscribed, but
yeah, it's weird. He posted another video, YouTube. He posted another video. We pushed this guy to
at least 200.
At least 220, and now he's all the way back down. It's so, man, I don't understand why. I don't understand why YouTube.
He was talking about politics.
Yeah, guys, if you just leave a like on this guy's YouTube, that would be awesome. That would be very awesome. Click that like button. I'll put the link in the YouTube chat. We're going into profit, so just click that button. Give this guy his subscribe. He's a nice guy. Don't worry, guys. He's good. Watch his videos. He's a pretty good COD player. Yeah, let's see what the last minutes of this candle are gonna be. Ooh, that was a nice little push. I like that. If this is gonna flip, we're gonna move. Rust. Where's my partial take profit thing removed? Put it on 90. There we go. Now I'm gonna move my stop loss in a second. Probably to the current low. So pretty good. Pretty Gucci.
6 minutes.
Shane Cax, Rafik Olderbrunner. I think you should join us later. We're streaming Warzone. Shane, get in contact with Rafik. He would like it. I'll play with you guys. I'll play Warzone with you guys. Trust. Soon we have to do like a. Why you don't have any educational videos on the channel? Because I just started, man. This is educational, right?
Live streams are pretty educational.
Yeah. This is what I was waiting for. A support of 5 minutes. I said it before. Right on this level. Based on this candle and this candle. And then continue moving further up. Looking for 817 to hit. Take profit. And get out of the trade. I wish I had that earlier entry. The later entry.
Yeesh. You need to do dynamic risk on this one.
Yeah, I was thinking about doing that, but I just clicked full position. And then I halved my position, had to pay €5 commission. So the win, if I'm gonna get a win, it's not gonna be big. But it is what it is. It's a fun trade right now. DJ buys. Let's take a look.
Yeah, you really need to do dynamic risk.
If we're gonna go back, I'm gonna close another 50% off. I'm honest with you. Yeah. Oh, 1 second. Let me look at the chart real quick. Yeah, we're gonna tap my entry again. I'm gonna close 50%. And it's on. Closed another 50%. Yeah. I don't know about this. It sort of rejected now. So yeah, I might just fully close it.
Or trail your stop loss.
Plus it's still, it's trailed right. Sorry that I didn't trail it for you guys. It's trailed right here already. So let's see.
Yeah, it's getting pretty good.
Yeah. It is catching some sort of support 100%. So I think the probability of going up is still there. But just don't want to go back into negative. It's a pretty risky trade. Punk anime. This trade doesn't make any sense. We don't have enough volume as well, bro. Coming to the 4-hour close, there's going to be volume for us. And if I lose, it's going to be a 0.7 pip loss. Probably 1 pip, but it's all going to be Gucci. Once it starts flipping, I'm gonna be out. I'm out. With a total loss of 1 pip.
To be honest, I secured 8 pips.
Nice. From where were you in?
5-minute close bullish, and it made a sort of a lower wick. I got my entry there.
Mm.
And then I saw the rejections on a 5-minute to the left, the wicks.
I saw that too. That's the reason I got in.
I was like, okay, what's the probability of us going further if we have no volume at this very point? So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna be sorry. I'm just gonna get 8 pips, and yeah, man, I'm really happy, to be honest, because I missed the initial buys. So I was down to take 8 pips because I was like, okay, this is what market might give me, and that's it.
That makes sense. What was your entry? 700?
No, 693.
On that 5-minute. Very nice. Yeah, I'm out. Negative 1 pip. Bro, manage risk pretty well though, to be honest with you.
Because when you're looking at the 5 minutes, for example, to take an entry, it's sort of like the way we do on the 30-minute, we manage on 15, right? So the same thing is at a 4 or 5 minute. You go on the 1 minute, because like we working off the smaller time frames. Obviously, you're visualizing the higher time frames to push up and everything, but you sort of looking at the rejection levels on the small time frames, and 770 was the rejection on the 1 minute, and that's where I closed. Like that's exactly where I closed, 770.
Pretty good, man.
So it's like that's where the market might give it to me. And if I can take 8 pips and not be greedy in this condition, I'll be more than happy.
100%. Yeah, I was waiting for this candle to flip. I was in profit of around 6 pips, I think. Yeah, 6 pip profit. And once price started coming down close, another 50% off at break even, and once the candle start flipping, just fully out. And now I have a 0.1, a 1 pip loss. I mean, what was once 1 pip, bro? It's pretty much break even.
Yeah, so you can put GG buys plus 8 pips as well.
Oh yeah, sure. Wait, did you call it?
No, I didn't. No.
Okay, then I can't do it.
Okay. That makes sense. Nah, because I was looking at the same thing as you was looking, but I was sort of like focusing and not talking. So
yeah. Makes sense. Yeah, I was looking at the same thing. I was looking for one because I saw this candle coming down. I'm like, what's the probability? First of all, it doesn't have a top wick. The probability of making a top wick is pretty high based on that 30-minute time frame. And once I saw that 5 minutes are starting to have issues at this level where the wicks are at, I was like, if this is gonna create a support, it's gonna create a higher high, higher low for the higher high to be retested and continue to move further up. So it was a pretty solid setup right there, in my opinion.
Yeah, it was good, but you know, as soon as that 5 minute broke the high low on the 5 minute, that's it. Like if somebody was in the trade, you should gone out because we created the resistance lower than the previous one, and it doesn't matter that the 30 minute didn't have a top wick. Well, that's what I'm taking into consideration. That is not always gonna make a top wick.
Yep, true.
Because the previous 15, the way it pushed really hard, and I think our entry should have been 650 once the 15-minute candle broke the high, but it never broke the structure still.
Exactly, that's the thing. And I was waiting for that close, personally.
Yes.
I was waiting for that close just to take it easy. And I think I had a pretty good entry in this trade as well. 717, a lot lower than the initial close of the candle. So.
And I mean, the way that 15-minute closed, it closed barely with a top wick, right? It's just a little nibble at the top. And the next one opened without a top wick. It's just sort of a double confirmation. Okay, that might be our range.
Yeah,
sort
of. True. That's
and it's at 800 level as well.
Yeah, that's a very.
I was obviously anticipating for us to go back up and create that top wick, like always, right? Because we want to see that top wick or the bottom wick. But I was just looking what the market can give it to me, and yeah,
very good that you secured that. Yeah, I was. If I would have hit probably 7-8 pips, I would have secured as well. But I was just at 5.96 pips, so I wasn't really there yet. So, but it was a good idea. It was a very good idea, in my opinion. I used to take these trades over and over again. Just wait for that pullback, even though the candle didn't close the way I wanted it to close. Create range for myself, and expect price to just go further up.
Yeah.
So I'm still happy. Happy days.
It might still work out because the new 4-hour just opened. We straight away went down.
Yeah.
And look at the hourly. We still formed a support. We never broke the hourly low. So we still have a probability to fill the whole hourly wick and push all the way to 900 at least.
Yeah, I was on my phone. Well done, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Especially Augustus.
Pretty much. I always call above -2 pips is not break even, but this is pretty much break even, to be honest with you. If you look at the numbers. Entry 717, exit 708. That's not even a full pip. That's 0.9 pips. So pretty much break even.
Yeah, and like Augustus says now, if what I'm looking at, if it breaks at least like the 1 hour wick that is also 30-minute resistance, then I think it could easily fill the 1 hour bearish wick, like and go back to the 4-hour resistance, daily resistance.
I mean, we might see that sort of going into the range before New York session for New York to make the last push.
Yo, guys, there's some guys in the chat that got a very nice entry in the Zoom. They waited for this candle to flip back up because it went down straight away, and they're in. Very nice. Very nice. But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream on this one. This is probably the longest stream we've ever had. 3.5 hours long. So I still have to do a lot of shit. So so yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. Couple trades we'll call it live. 10 pip trade by Mr. Frank. Merci beaucoup. Gold sells by Master P. Negative 6 pips. It is what it is, and the break even trade. I'll call it break even. What's negative 0.9 pips? Pretty much break even. Break even trade on buys. It is what it is, and let's see what we can do tomorrow. You know, I'm looking forward to this week because this week is going to be a more volatile week because we're out of the range. So yeah, let's see what we can get. Be safe. Don't overtrade. Don't over risk. You know, take it easy. If you already took your trades, just leave the charts. Go do something else. Go do your hobbies or whatever you're gonna do. And yeah, I'm gonna go off, man. See you guys, and thank you for tuning in.
Go lag.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Luke. Bye bye.
There we go.